Damn, this car is dirty. Before I wash this car, I'm heading to one of my friends' birthday lunch, so yeah, I'll bring you guys along for that. Bruh. So before we go to the restaurant, we're quickly gonna pop in by this bike shop because she wants to buy a bike. So yeah, let's go. Some of these bikes are like the price of like a house. No, I'm kidding. They are quite pricey. See if I can check the price.
Bruh.
Hello. Yeah, it's insane.
Wait till you see the. No.
So how are you still enjoying your car?
I love her.
Haven't thought about upgrading?
Nope. I have, but I can't afford it.
Okay. Guys, look at this view. There's just something about the winelands.
Till next year. The two of you, your friends are gonna finish off. Hope you enjoy your birthday.
Okay, so I'm back home now and it's time to wash this car. Let's go.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving.
So guys, the sun is basically already set, but I just gotta give it a rinse, dry it, and then it'll be good. So it's actually the next day now, and I ended up finishing so late last night. I didn't get to put the tire shine on, and I need to give it a quick vacuum and just wipe down the seats. So yeah, let's do that. The GTI is clean, as you can see. So my job here is done. If you guys like the video you made it this far, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you guys want me to post a more in-detailed version of how I clean the car, then let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.